Where is your hometown? My hometown is a coastal state of U.S. Is it the city or the countryside? I live in a suburb area. What's it known for? It's famous for tobaccos. What do people do there? Agriculture is the main industry in my hometown. Most of the people here plant and sell tobaccos. How is the atmosphere there? Well, it's quite peaceful. I enjoy the fresh air here. How are people there? They're friendly and hospitable. Would you like to live in your hometown or somewhere else? Yes, I would. I just wish I can live here forever. Is it easy to find a job there? Manual work is easy to find. I'm not sure about the white-collar jobs. Is it a good environment for young people? I don't think so. The pace of life here is quite slow. If they want to work in a dynamic environment, they'd better move to the city. Is traffic congestion a big problem in your hometown? Not at all. We couldn't be happier with the traffic system here.